For the first time in Australia, we have a major bank, AMP, coming out and saying they are going to offer 10-year interest-only loans. Let's break down exactly what this means. Essentially, right now, you can get pretty much a 5-year or max 7-year interest-only term. So that means a 30-year loan term, but for 5 of those years, you're going to pay only interest only, not interest plus principal. So it's just the cost of borrowing. Now, some people would go, well, what's the point of doing that? Because I don't pay down my debt. Well, it allows you to have a better cash flow. So if you're someone who wants to have multiple properties, to be able to hold multiple properties, it's very difficult if you're going interest plus principal. But if you go interest only, it allows you to potentially hold more assets for longer. It also helps a lot of retirees who may just want to hold on to their property and gain that equity, but they may not be able to if it's interest plus principal. But now, with AMP coming out and saying that you can have a 10-year interest-only term, it is only on 80% LVR properties, but it could help a lot of people hold on to their properties for much longer, which again will allow this market to go much higher because it means people aren't forced to actually sell. I want to know what your thoughts are around this. Is this a good decision? Because from a borrowing capacity point of view, it actually doesn't improve your borrowing capacity, it decreases it. So the way the banks look at this is instead of paying off a 30-year loan in 30 years, because you pay interest plus principal, they actually go, it's 30 years minus the interest only period. So in this case, if it's 10 years, they're expecting you to make the repayments of 30 years or pay down the loan in 20 years. And that actually significantly reduces your borrowing capacity. This is why it's always important to chat to a really good mortgage broker and know how to get around this and which banks deal with it differently. If you guys are interested in more commentary around the property market and everything that happens in between when it comes to interest rates and property prices, then definitely smash that follow button.